Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you one of the quickest and easiest ways to get straight to your Shopify admin dashboard, no fuss, no searching around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to access the backend of your Shopify store so you can manage products, orders, settings, and more, all in just a few seconds. Whether you're a new store owner or you've been working with Shopify for a while, these simple steps are what the pros use for a fast workflow. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, you want to start by going to your Shopify store. If you're not sure exactly what this means, I'm talking about the website address where customers actually see your store. For example, if your store is called Besties, you'd type Besties, Shopify.com into your web browser. Make sure you're in the right place because we're working directly with your store's URL and accuracy here is key. If you're already logged into your Shopify account, you can just go to your store's homepage. But even if you're not logged in, don't worry, this trick works either way and Shopify will simply prompt you to sign in once we get there. Now the next step, this is where the magic happens. Take a look at the web address at the top of your browser. You're going to add a simple command to it. After your store's domain that might look like your store name, Shopify.com, you'll want to type admin right at the end. So for our example, it would become Besties, Shopify.com/admin, just like that. This is the direct route to your Shopify admin panel. What's nice about this method is that it bypasses any extra clicks or navigation you might encounter from Shopify's main website or bookmark pages. Adding admin is like telling Shopify, hey, take me straight to my workspace. This is especially helpful if you manage multiple stores or if you're simply trying to save a little time each day, and honestly, who doesn't want to cut down on unnecessary steps? Go ahead and hit the enter key after you've typed in that updated URL. In most cases, you'll be sent directly to your store's admin dashboard. If you're not signed in, Shopify will ask for your login credentials. Just pop those in and you'll be good to go. Sometimes it might take a few moments for the page to load, especially if your internet connection is on the slower side, so don't worry if there's a brief pause. Once you're in, you'll see the admin interface where you can add new products, view customer orders, set up discounts, adjust your store settings, basically everything that happens in the background of your shop. Just to recap, all you have to do is visit your store's main URL, add admin at the end, and press enter. That's it. It really is as simple as it sounds. Think of this like a master key, letting you unlock the doors to your store's control center anytime you need. If you found this tip useful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or there's another Shopify feature you want to learn about, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe so you're always in the loop with the latest tutorials and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.